what is the source of an electromagnetic wave. So an accelerating charge which produces this electromagnetic waves. So we have seen before that. So an electric charge which is oscillating harmonically with the frequency nu will generate this electromagnetic waves with the same frequency nu. So an electric dipole is a basic source of this electromagnetic waves. So the basic source is electric dipole. So that you can observe it from the image, the electric dipole. Likewise, an LC circuit containing the inductance L and the capacitance C, that's why it is called as LC circuit, which produces the electromagnetic waves of frequency. So this is also a source of electromagnetic waves. So nu equal to 1 divided by 2 pi root of the inductance and the capacitance, that is LC. So that the LC circuit, how it works, you can observe it from the image. Next we are going to see some basic properties of the electromagnetic waves. The first property is the electromagnetic waves, that is EM waves, are produced by accelerated charges and do not require any medium for their propagation. So these electromagnetic waves do not require any medium to travel. So it will propagate in a vacuum. So it does not need any medium to travel. Next property is the oscillations of vector E and B, it is the electric field and the magnetic fields, are perpendicular to each other as well as to the direction of propagation of the wave. So the electromagnetic waves are transverse in nature. So due to the oscillation of magnetic field and the electric field which is perpendicular to each other, due to the direction of the propagation of the waves will be transverse in nature. The third property is the oscillations of electric field and the magnetic field are in the same phase, and all electromagnetic waves travel in the free space with the same speed, that is c, given by, so as we have seen before, the electromagnetic waves need not have any medium to propagate. So it will travel in the free space with the same speed c, that is given by c is equal to 1 by root of mu naught into epsilon naught, which is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, that is the speed of the light. Next, a material medium of the refractive index n, then the speed of the electromagnetic wave is given by nu equal to 1 by root of mu epsilon, that is c divided by root of mu or epsilon r, which is nothing but c by n, that is the refractive index of a material. Next property is the ratio of the amplitudes of electric and the magnetic field. So the ratio of the amplitudes of the electric and magnetic field, that is E naught by B naught, is equal to C. So we know the value of C, which is 1 by root of mu naught into epsilon naught. The another property is the electromagnetic waves carry energy as they travel through space, and this energy is shared equally by the electric and the magnetic fields. Therefore, the average energy of the electromagnetic wave is U equal to UE plus UB, that is the energy of the electric field and the energy of the magnetic field. So half into epsilon naught E naught square plus B naught square by mu. So this is the average energy of the EM waves. So here comes the intensity of an electromagnetic wave. So the energy crossing per unit area per unit time in a direction which is perpendicular to the direction of propagation of the wave is called the intensity of the wave. So can you observe it from the image? That is the energy which is crossing per unit area per unit time, that too in the direction of the propagation of a wave. It is the intensity of the wave. So intensity of the wave is nothing but energy per time divided by the total area. So energy by time can be represented as power. So power divided by area. So for an electromagnetic wave of average energy density U is equal to I equal to UC. So we can write I equal to half epsilon naught E naught square C, which is equal to, that is for the electric field, epsilon naught E RMS square C. Likewise for the magnetic field, I equal to 1 by 2 mu naught into B naught square into C, that is 1 divided by mu naught B RMS square C. So this is the average energy density of the magnetic field